So Sean, what are you doing to the weeds?
Chopping the soil.
You're chopping them up so they don't survive. Show them how you pull weeds. What do? Show them. Get another weed. Get this one right over here.
That's a weed?
Yeah, that's a weed. Get that. What do?
I'm gonna dig this one.
You're gonna dig it out, and then what do you do with them? Okay, I think oh my God, you're decapitated.
Dig this one out. Chop it.
Okay, now do that 1,000 more times.
What? Okay.
Do you like doing weeding?
Yep.
You do?
I think this one
You're
out.
like 0.0001% of the people that like to weed. Whoa, why is it ooh? God, this is an evil face right here. Let me see your face. All right, see you. Happy gardening. Wait, what? Don't hurt the mushrooms. What? You found something else? You found another victim?
That one.
More weeds. All right. Happy gardening, everyone.
Hello, everyone. So, like, share, subscribe. And bye, everyone. I can't remember.